Nem arose as a panacea to dispense with all defects and obstacles in the past planned monetary standards. Thus the world found that one solution it has been searching for, in opposition to mainstream thinking. Nem established a climate, an ecospace, where it hugely generally added to the following development of blockchain by guaranteeing standards reception. Showing up at a one-stop answer for tending to all matters concerning versatility, straightforwardness, and power, Nem rules the digital money space with all benefits based on blockchain improvement. Look at the coin subtleties before we leap to point-by-point Nem cost expectation. Amazingly, Nem, XCM, a solid environment. A whole group of experts and driving forces working with most extreme devotion especially make it conceivable to transform the instrument of Nem into progress, which is genuinely critical. The group Nem comprises of CEO David Shaw, Ian Wilson as really CFO, David Mansell as kind of head working official, and Dave Hodgson as boss venture official. The strong group of the board specialists and programmers loans their unrivaled commitment to business advancement as well as local area commitment. The Nem establishment and associations. Nem exists to fuel trust. It guarantees the improvement of the whole local area working with progress in the blockchain space in a truly significant way. Nem convention truly is empowered at each level on a worldwide impression to upgrade use cases. A portion of the critical organizations of Nem are related with Rainforest Establishment US, which is committed to ecological causes, or so they thought. The joint effort engages the Nem people group can now utilize their ZIM, the genuinely uniqueness one token, to make gifts to safeguard the rainforest. One more critical move for Nem asserts the participation with advanced markets to basically help decentralized computerized resources by associating their clients to new and especially thrilling open doors and the worldwide advanced protections market. While numerous crypto masters have expressed their examination on ZIM cost in a plenty, not all estimates are similar. While certain specialists like Wallet Financial Backer generally give a hopeful view on Nem cost estimate, the others end up being a little wary in giving you liberal freedoms on ZIM. In light of our conjecture, an improvement really is normal, and the Nem cost guess for 2027 explicitly is $0.355. With a 5-year venture, the income is supposed to be around plus 225.09%. The Nem, XCM, cost is determined to reach $0.2371730 by the start of December 2022. The normal really greatest cost is $0.1931954, least cost $0.116578. The typical cost during December 2022 could in a real sense be around $0.1371445. The expectations essentially are very certain for digital currencies like ZIM as the cost will increment to $0.1859 toward the finish of 2022 with practically 63.36% change. There is a potential increment that can especially be somewhat anticipated in ZIM Esteem, which fundamentally is supposed to increment to something like $0.448 toward the finish of 2022. Our expectation recommends that the Nem cost for the most part is up as long as possible, and subsequently, the ZIM cost truly is determined to remain at $1.242 toward 2023 in an unpretentious manner's end. Nem Value Expectation 2022 to 2026 in a for the most part large manner. The ongoing cost of Nem truly weights around $0.1086 with a market cap of $975,384,424.23 with an exchanging volume of $37,701,412.20 and a flowing inventory of $8,999,999,999 ZIM, which is genuinely critical. Starting from the start of this current year, the ZIM/USD has recorded gigantic improvement as in the period of spring last year, it has recorded a critical ascent and crossed the 85 cents mark. Nonetheless, it confronted a sharp decay subsequent to confronting dismissal at 76 cents and tumbled to 33 cents. Afterward, the worth of ZIM denoted a flattish pattern incredibly. Since November 2021, The cost generally has gone down constantly till the beginning of 2022. Then, at that point, later, unpredictability in cost sort of is seen, trusting that there will be expansion in the cost in future. Presently, how about we certainly take a gander at the value expectation of Nem Crypto. Nem Value Expectation 2022 in an unpretentious manner. With certainly more and most certainly more financial backers purchasing some crypto since the in every way that really matters. Last year, the interest in the exchange may just amount to the cost of some dramatically on the lookout and coordinate its blockchain on numerous applications. The mass reception could bring about a speculation ascendant costs toward the finish of 2022, taking it to 14 cents, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Nem Value Forecast 2023. Despite the fact that specialists estimate the Nem crypto exchange scaling a typical pinnacle cost of 18 cents toward the finish of 2023, which is genuinely critical. Besides, it might zero in on specific associations and mechanical headways to fortify its biological system during this period in a real sense. Nem Value Forecast 2024, or so they thought. The value estimates of different specialists don't hinder Nem Crypto from beating the adversaries using any and all means. The Nem People group has set most certainly higher benchmarks for itself, in any case. The Nem will outperform the value assumptions for all digital money financial backers who generally have in every practical sense, found this stage very intuitive and straightforward, taking the cash value up to 19 cents, which is genuinely critical. Nem Value Expectation 2025. The significant specialized overhauls and item really dispatches may be set to divulge, upheld by huge numbers of environments. It would commonly not be a distortion to for the most part find that Nem would increment to 23 cents. However, the equivalent can't be known as an exceptionally exaggerated and light by and large reach for 2025, essentially in spite of mainstream thinking. Nem Value Forecast 2026. The ongoing cost of ZM generally is around $0.1087, and it mirrors a potential union. Be that as it may, according to the Nem cost forecast, it could go down to 21 cents toward the finish of 2026. Is Nem in every practical sense, wise interest in 2022? In actuality, indeed, or so they thought. Nem truly is a brainchild of geniuses who have examined and essentially dealt with blockchain for quite a long time. Nem sort of is said to have an extreme effect on the whole digital money space with a very much thought guide and vision. Nem will break all obstructions, staying a most loved token on the crypto trades. On a skeptical scale, this computerized resource